From Seed to Plant by Gail Gibbons. Narrated by Lindsay Higbee. Most plants make seeds. A seed contains the beginning of a new plant. Tulip, daisy, rose, pea, buttercup, corn, tomato, squash, violet. Seeds are different shapes, sizes, and colors. All seeds grow into the same kind of plant that made them. Sunflower, oak tree. Many plants grow flowers. Flowers are where most seeds begin. Apple tree, zinnia, dandelion, aster. A flower is made up of many parts. In the center of the flower is the pistil. At the bottom of the pistil are tiny egg cells called ovules. The sticky part at the top of the pistil is the stigma. The parts of the flower around the pistil are the stamens. Stamens make yellow powder called pollen. Stem, sepal, petal. Before a seed can begin to grow, a grain of pollen from the stamen must land on the stigma at the top of the pistil of a flower like itself. This is called pollination. Pollination. Stigma. Pollen. Pistil. Stamen. Pollination happens in different ways. Often, wind blows pollen from flower to flower. Bees, other insects, and hummingbirds help pollinate too. While they visit flowers for their sweet juice, called nectar, pollen rubs onto their bodies. Pollen. Pollen. Then they carry the pollen to another flower where it comes off onto its pistil. Pollen. Pistil. Pollen. If a pollen grain from a flower lands on the pistil of the same kind of flower, it grows a long tube through the pistil into an ovule. This is the beginning of a seed. Ovule. Tube. Pollen grain. The seeds grow inside the flower, even as the flower begins to die. As the seeds becomes bigger, a fruit or pod grows around them. The fruit or pod protects the seeds. Pod. Fruit. When the fruit or pod ripens, it breaks open. The seeds are ready to become new plants. Some seeds fall to the ground around the base of the plant where they will grow. Some pods or fruits open and the seeds pop out. Sometimes when birds eat berries, they drop the seeds. Other seeds fall into streams, ponds, rivers, or the ocean. There, they travel on the water until they stick to dirt along a shore. The wind scatters seeds. Some seeds have fluff on them that lets them float to the ground like tiny parachutes. Others have wings that spin as they fall. Animals help scatter seeds too. They hide acorns and nuts in the ground. Some seeds have hooks that stick to the fur of animals or people's clothes. Later, they drop off onto the ground.